Hey, this is Dan with KAGE, and we're going to be putting on the Polyurethane Rotor Paddles today. You're going to need a torque 25 bit on a ratchet, a 7/16 socket, 7/16 wrench, and 2 small vice grips. As you can see, we already took ours off. One thing to note is replacing your scraper blade is key. If you let that wear down too much, it'll drastically reduce the life of your rotor paddle. So the first thing to do is put these little bushings in. They are beveled on one side, so if you just bend the paddle a bit, they should go right in. And then make sure you have them facing this direction with the counter bores on the outside. And then I like to start putting these ones in. That'll hold it for you later. Just put these on loose. I want to keep all the nuts loose until the end. That makes it easier in case you have any problems. Press these in. This first one's pretty easy, just get it on there by hand. Loosely. And for the difficult one, I like to use a small vice grip. Push that in and then clamp it down. You want to not clamp it too tight, just have about 3 sections of thread sticking out. Get another small vice grip, hold the nut. And grab your ratchet. That down there loose. And then repeat on the other side. This one you'll have a little bit more room, so I tighten down the vice grip a little more, makes it easier. Vice grip out of the way, and then basically just put the other one on and then tighten them all down, and then you're good to go.